Hello, short video on the installation of the Braumach spare wheel. It comes in two separate packages, one with the wheel obviously as you can see, and the other one there with all the tools associated with it. The car that I purchased this wheel for is a BMW M5 Competition LCI version 221. I'll be testing it on the front left over here, mainly because obviously it's the front and it's got huge brakes and brake calipers, so obviously if the wheel fits over the front, then it'll naturally fit over the back, which has smaller brakes, but they're both 20-inch rims. Okay, I've now unpacked the box and you can see the wheel comes in a nice packaging, so then you can obviously, when you're not in use, you can pack it away neatly in the boot. And here are the toolkit. Comes with what you'd expect, and it comes with a nice pouch that you can put all the tools in it, including gloves. That's a nice little touch so you don't get your hands dirty. So first things first, while the car is still on the ground, I will be loosening the 5 nuts before I jack the car up. Before jacking up with the jack and the tools that they have, they also provide a little rubber grommet, which actually you fit then on top because it fits into a nice slot. At least with the BMW it does. If I can show it underneath, there's a little slot that it fits in just there, so then you can safely, it doesn't move in terms of the jacking point for the BMW. I think most European cars are like this too, so I'm just letting you know this package does come with this grommet, which is rubber stopper, which is very handy. Now make sure that everything, the jack is all level, everything's all centralized under the car, and then basically you start ratcheting it up. So anyway, this might take a few minutes. Well, now that I've jacked up the car to a suitable height, you'll notice the wheel is now free to move. It's just a little bit higher than the ground. You don't want it obviously too high, because obviously the weight of the wheel taking it off and on. Previously I'd already loosened, while the car was on the ground, I'd loosened the 5 nuts, and now I'll remove the wheel and hopefully put on the spare to see if it all fits and clears the brakes. Here you can see I've removed the wheel. You can see obviously the brake caliper and hub exposed, and brakes. There you can see the existing wheel, and there you can see the Braumach spare that I'll now attempt to put on. I have now put on the Braumach spare. I've only put on 2 nuts because I just want to see that it actually fits and it actually clears the very tight brake. You can see as I'm turning, no scraping, it's very tight. Although it is tight, yes, but it clears the brakes, and that's the main thing. Although this is only a 19-inch spare, but it is obviously, what, 70 I'm looking. So, and obviously it still would fit because my original is 20-inch with 35s on it. So you don't necessarily have to worry that you might have 20-inch wheels and they send you a 19-inch spare, because it does fit, because obviously the size of the tyre and the clearances are fine. Okay, seems to all work. I'll be unpacking and putting it in the boot. Having now tightened the bolts while the car is still jacked up of my existing wheel, I'll now ratchet down This actually is adjustable. You can actually flick a switch, so you can do it for up and down. So just flick the switch, and then obviously you can go down. I won't do the whole lot on the video. Just to say that once you are down, all the way down, make sure you do then just tighten the bolts while the car's on the ground. That extra couple of millimeters to make sure that the wheel bolts are all tight. Thanks. And just to finish up, everything is neatly packed away. The wheel and the jack and other equipment neatly packed away in the boot of the car, ready for the first trip, and so I can feel safe and don't have to rely on this stupid air pressure stuff, or GOOD, as I call it, which is no good for Australian conditions. But now that I'll feel safe again with a spare wheel, that'll get me to a place where I can get my tyre repaired or replaced. Thanks.